For this exercise tutorial, we're going to continue with the basics of plyometric training. And what we're going to be doing is single leg lateral hops. So hops side to side, and I'm going to be using this TheraBand that's laid out on the floor as my marker, and I can't touch this TheraBand. I've got to jump over it and jump back to my original position. You don't have to use a TheraBand, you can use anything. Just make sure it's not going to be something that you could possibly roll your ankle on. You can also use like a crease in the floor. And what you want to do is make sure that if you are on like laminate floorings, you're not completely in like slippy socks or anything like that where you're going to fall over. Just make sure that you've got enough grip. If it is laminate flooring, do wear shoes. So what you're going to do, choose which leg that you're going to hop over. So in this case, I'm going to use my left leg and I'm going to hop laterally over and back. And each time I go over the TheraBand, it's 1 repetition. So I'm going to flex my right knee, bringing out the equation. I'm going to be looking down. And you see, as I come over, I'm bending my knee as well as lifting up off the heel at the same time. So that's going to give me the power I need to get over the TheraBand. And once you get good, you can start doing them faster and faster and making sure you're doing them under control and landing straight. Always try and have your foot facing forwards each time you land, rather than coming over and then landing like this. Otherwise, it's going to be harder and you're at more chance of injury. That is how to do your lateral hops.